Here is carboxylic acid we are looking into under the field of chemistry. My name is Venkat. I am a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. And compounds in their molecule carboxyl functional group are named as organic or carboxyl acids. Here is the carboxyl functional group COOH. A carboxylic acid may be considered as a replacing product of 3 hydrogen atoms from CH3 radical in a hydrocarbonate with 3 OH group. Considering that the resultant compound is a very unstable one and it loses one water molecule to becoming a compound that is called as COOH functional group, that is a carboxylic group or carboxylic acid. CH3 will be replaced with 3OH and this is not stable, and afterwards it will lose water to become COOH. The general formula of an acid is R-COOH, in which R represents the hydrocarbonate radical and carboxylic acid are very stable substances, and due to this fact they are easily obtained and widely extended in nature. Here is the name carboxylic acid R-COOH, and it is found in vinegar, cream of tartar, and there is other one ester. This is the one R-COOR. It's in fats, it's in cell membranes. In amides, R-CONHR, it's in nylon and proteins. And this one is acyl chloride, which is RCOCl. Cl is chloride. Synthesis of carboxyl derivatives. And the other one is acid anhydride, RCOOCOR. It's used in synthesis of carboxyl derivatives. Acids are considered as a substitution derivatives of hydrocarbonate with the COOH, it's carboxylic group, and this is why the name is being formed by adding the carboxylatic termination to the initial hydrocarbonates. If in the substances molecule they are more COOH groups, the name is formed by adding di for 2 COOH group, tri for 3, etc. Here is a typical example of a benzene with acid become benzene carboxylic acid or benzoic acid. This one is 1 methane is with acid is methanoic, and this one is 2 carbon, it's ethanoic, and 3 carbon, it's a propionic, and this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is 2, second carbon 2, methyl, methane, ethane, propane, butane, butanoic acid. Now let's talk about the saturated monocarboxylic acids. Saturated monocarboxylic acids contained in the molecule will have one single COOH group that is bounded with a radical that can be obtained from a saturated hydrocarbonate or from an aromatic hydrocarbonate. Here is a typical example of a saturated monocarboxylic acid, formic acid, HCOOH, and this one is methane, ethane, so ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Here is the one I have described before. This is your acid, and this is carboxylate without hydrogen. And this one is like with R, if it is connected with R, it's ester. And if it is with the NRR, it's amide. And if it is this one with the sulfur added, it's a thioester. And if this is the combination, acyl phosphate. And if it is chloride, it's acyl chloride. And this one is COOO, it's anhydride, acid anhydride. Dicarboxylic acids are contained in the molecule with a 2-COOH group. The most simple dicarboxylic acid is ethane dicarboxylic acid, ethane dicarboxylic acid, and it is also known as oxalic acid. So it's ethane dicarboxylic acid or oxalic acid. And if it is with the 3 carbons, it's a malonic acid. So there are other acids which is available. So this one is oxalic acid, and if it is with a hydrogen, it's a methanoic acid, and 2 is the ethanoic or acetic acid, and if it is 3, it's a propanoic. If it is 4, it's a butyric. The 5, it's a pentanoic acid. You may ask me a question, it's methanoic or formic, the other name is formic. You may ask me a question, is it acetic or ethanoic? It's the same. So we got a lot of plus 2 3D videos on intermediate physics, which is a 8-pack videos you can get from Flipkart or from GTech website, or you can call us directly. And we got a 10-pack DVD for chemistry for plus 2 and intermediate. You can buy it from our website. And finally, if you are interested, you can subscribe in our YouTube channel, or you can post your questions and queries in our YouTube videos, so that our expert team will help you. Thank you.